Hello and welcome to Poor Academy. Yes, we are discussing various topics on index number, and now this is turn of ideal index number, and we are well aware that Fisher's index number is termed as ideal index number. Now we want to discuss why and how Fisher's index number can be accepted as an ideal index number. We have few points on the basis of which we are going to discuss the point. The first point is why or how the Fisher's index number is an ideal index number. The quantities of both the years are considered while computation of Fisher's index number. The quantities, what do we mean by the term quantities? Quantities means prices as well as quantities consumed. So now we know that to find out the price index of any item, we need price of both the years, current year as well as base year. So in case of Laspeyre, Paasche or any other index number, the prices of both the years are considered. P1 divided by PO into 100, that gives us the price index number of any item. But in case of Fisher's index number, the quantities of consumption are also considered for both the years, current as well as base year, which happens to be rare case. No doubt in few other index numbers also the quantities for both the years are used. In case of Laspeyre, we consider the quantity of base year only. In case of Paasche, we consider the quantity of current year only. But in case of Fisher's index number, here in this lecture we consider the Fisher's index number only. In case of Fisher index number, quantities for current year as well as base year both are considered. That is a great merit. Number two, very important, highly technical point. Yes, it corrects the positive price bias or upward bias of Laspeyre's index number and the negative price bias or downward bias of Paasche index number. Mind well, this is a highly technical point. So many teachers are not aware of this merit, or what do we exactly mean by the terms upward bias or downward bias, etc. Please keep the law of demand into your mind. Now what do we mean by upward bias? In case of Laspeyre index number, this is a great limitation or great drawback to have upward bias in the index number. Yes, in case of Laspeyre, we use quantity for base year only. Now, in that case, we believe that even after change in price of the item, the quantity of consumption remains same in current year as it was in the base year. Remember the formula sigma P1QO divided by sigma P1QO divided by sigma POQO. QO is there, quantity for base year only. That means even though there are changes in prices, or rather in case of only one item there is change in price, we assume that the same quantity is used. That means even after increase in price, there is no decrease in consumption by the consumer or consumers, or even after decrease in price, there is no increase in consumption by the consumers. This creates upward bias in case of Laspeyre's index number. Yes, that is also called positive price bias. Yes, as if there is no change in price, like that. Similarly, in case of Paasche index number, the downward bias can be seen. In case of Paasche, we are aware that only the quantity of current year is considered. Yes, that means even there was increase in price, the consumption was increased. That kind of effect is there, and that creates downward price. see if there is increase in consumption, that means say on the basis of law of demand we can think reverse, there must be decrease in price. No, why? That is not the thing. But if we consider the quantities of current year only, that can be bias can be there, and even after increase in price, the effect in the index number will be something like that. There is no, or rather there is decrease in price, or there is no change in price. These are highly technical matters, so don't bother about these technicalities while studying why and how Fisher's index number is an ideal index number. But I am something different kind of person or teacher. Whenever I discuss anything, I say like, or I prefer to go deep inside up to certain extent, so that your level of knowledge can also go beyond expectation of yourself as well as others who know you. So these are the brief discussion on, this was the brief discussion on upward bias and downward bias. But I suggest many of you will be interested in knowing more about this, so I suggest you people to go deep inside these topics. That will be very interesting. But yes, I am aware that this is not everybody's cup of tea. So according to your own curiosity as well as say hunger for the knowledge, you can prefer to go deep inside. The third point is geometric mean is used to calculate Fisher's index number. Yes, geometric mean. And geometric mean is considered to be the best average for constructing index numbers. Yeah, that's fact. Almost all the statisticians as well as economists have accepted that to calculate index number, geometric mean is the best average. And we know that Fisher's index number is technically geometric mean of Laspeyre index number and Paasche index number. So the best average is used, and I think in none of the other popular index number the geometric mean is used. So this is also a great topic in favor of Fisher index number, to consider it ideal index number. And number 4 is it satisfies both. It satisfies both time reversal test as well as factor reversal test. This is again say very much technically high level point. Time reversal test and factor reversal test. Reverse means to interchange. If we interchange time factor, current year and base year. See, if this is something like this, now this will be something like this. This is called time reversal. And factor reversal. Factor means to interchange quantity and price. Say sigma P1 QO, sigma PO QO. Then the factor reversal will be sigma Q1 PO, sigma QO PO. Something like that. This is called time reversal. On the place of current year we take base year, and on the place of base year we take current year. This is called factor reversal. In the place of price we take quantity, in the place of quantity we take price. And there are two important tests of index numbers, time reversal test and factor reversal test. Only Fisher index number is there which satisfies both the tests. Yes, that is a great merit. That is a great merit to satisfy both the tests, time reversal as well as factor reversal. So these are 4 main points. There can be other miscellaneous kinds of points, but these 4 are say mountains in favor of Fisher index number being the ideal index number. So in case of your assignment, homework or examination, if you want to write a note on why or how Fisher's index number is ideal index number, you must state all these 4 points. You can add according to your, say, exploration of study material, etc. But these all four must be there. I hope this lecture is also useful for you people, and again I have stated something new beyond your expectation in this lecture also. So don't forget to like this lecture, don't forget to visit and subscribe my YouTube channel PUAR Academy, PUAR Academy, Prashant Puar on YouTube. In search bar you just can write Prashant PUAR PRSHNT PUAR and you will reach my channel. And don't forget to recommend my channel because it is useful for all whether they are students or not. Yes, and please take care. That's it. Thank you very much.